What's up, guys? Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I am about to go eat lunch. They're serving lunch at the shelter, and it's a weekend. It's Friday, and so far, all the places I've applied to and worked at didn't have anything available right now. So I need to go out there and look for some more jobs. But I did go to the Salvation Army because they have clothes, free clothes for people who are in the shelter. So we are allowed to get only 5 items every 2 weeks for free, and we have to bring our shelter cards so they know that it's us. They take our card and they write it down in the book, and and put it all in there so they know how much money is being spent at the Salvation Army. And I think the shelter gets like a tax write-off for it or whatnot, or Salvation Army does or whatnot. I don't know how that goes, but we're allowed because so many people, churches, and organizations and banks donate to the shelter, so we're able to utilize things like that. So I'm about to go eat some lunch. I'm about to go in the cafeteria. I hate going in there with a whole bunch of people who don't know how to act or people that's not even my crowd. But I'm utilizing this because I'm here to save money, and yeah. So I mean, it's some places I can work, but some things I'm just not going to be able to put up with because of the situation and how people mistreat others at work. It's just pretty much not for me. So I'm about to go in the cafeteria, and I'll take you guys with me. And I hate if you guys hear anybody being rude or anything like that, it's because these people are, their lifestyle is like way completely out of order. So I'm going to take you guys with me. So come on with me. Here we go. I just hate being around some people. That's like I really do. Some people lifestyle is like way out of order. And I don't feel like being a part of it. I really don't. See, almost got hit by a car. Now I gotta walk around. Look at this nice Suburban. Good God.
No, way down there in the country, random. Around the same. Down there next to Asheville.
I'm gonna wait right here until they open the door. Then they gotta search us. They gotta search our pockets. They don't check bags and stuff like that. They should, but no, they don't. I don't feel like doing all that extra stuff anyway. Not trying to get in here and eat and come out. I mean, it'll be safer, but I don't want to do all that. Well, right now, we have less than 10 minutes until we go in to go eat. I do not want to be here at all. I don't. We got some people just being nosy, some people minding their own business, some people be doing this every single day of their life and they don't plan on getting no better or getting out of the situation. And then you got some people who are really trying to get out of the situation, but you put everybody in one space, so only the strongest survives, pretty much. That's everywhere, but still. I just want to get in here. I'm thankful that they serving food though. I'm just ready to get in here and eat and then come back and then leave. I'm not trying to stay in here. I don't want nobody touching me. I don't want that. I don't. If you're gonna speak, just say, hey, you do not have to touch my shoulder. You do not have to touch the top of my head. You do not have to do all that just to say hey to somebody. That's crazy. I don't even touch other people. That's how I know people are just like, don't think about that. Some people don't want to be touched. Some people don't want to be talked to. It's just a crazy place with a whole bunch of people in one spot. It won't be a crazy place if some of the crazy people will actually not be here. I'm gonna hurry up and eat my food, and I'm gonna haul ass. I'm not finna be in here that long. Some people are rude. I'm just like, just leave me alone. How about that? Am I bothering you? No, I'm not bothering nobody. So why you can't do the same thing? What makes it so important that you have to go out your way to see what somebody else is doing if you worrying about yourself and not worrying about nobody else? And right now, I want to know what time it is, but I don't want to ask nobody nothing. This place is a good place for you to get on your feet, and I'm thankful for having a place to lay your head and having a place to eat and use resources. But if they just like, oh my God, if they just separate the people with the right mindset away from the people who are not doing anything, they don't have a good mindset, and it's not to talk about them or put them down or put them to shame. It's just literally bringing more order and more peace. So the shelter gets so much money and stuff per year. It's like it's not even funny. Like we had a conversation the other day about people getting housed in places and they having the money to put people in places who are working and who trying to get out. Like they pay your first month rent and then you pay the deposit, and now it's like they're starting to have something else to say about it, about people who getting checks and stuff like that. They spending their checks and their money, and then they're due it for about 2 or 3 or 4 months, if longer than that, and then they'll end up giving them a place, but it's not even their place. It's a rooming house. Why would you? What difference would it make? You gonna give them the money for a rooming house if they want a place, and you deny them to get in a place if they don't have a disability or something? That's not fair. As long as that person got their money for their rent or whatever, then you need to just provide it for them. My thing is, we know who's being greedy with the money that they getting to donate. My thing is like this: I went and got me a place out of this place before. Like I had my money for my deposit and my first month rent, so it's almost like they want to help the people who they know are responsible, because the ones that they know that's not going to do nothing, they're not going to put them in their own place. They'll give them a rooming house, because if they don't pay their rent on time, then it makes the shelter, it gives them a bad name. That's what I thought. It might not be. It might be something else. I don't know. But I'm not going for it, because I wasn't born yesterday, and I know how people play the game.
food contaminated. The fucking disease. Get back my old man. Get back my old man. Like that.
I'm just ready to sit down. And that's it.
Oh, you all right. You all right. Putting all them flying around there. Moving all those damn food.
Yeah.
Y'all like anything else? Y'all put them damn plates. I wish I had another friend that just like him.
It's like ever since the coronavirus outbreak, everything's been delayed and everybody's been taking their precious time to do stuff. Like, as long as I can go to work, I'm cool.
To the wall, please. Shut up.
I'm just gonna sit down.
What are they doing?
They're like 2 or 3. I know what this is like. I just read about it.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Chicken and rice, thank you. Chicken and rice.
You sit it down.
Chicken and rice.
Good sir. Yes, I will. Look out for me, John. Look at that breast for that leg, man. Is that a breast?
Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm gonna put some salt on this.
They only give the leg.
One guy went and got a little small chicken leg. And he looked at it, and he dropped it on the floor. When they told him he dropped it on the floor, he brought him a big ass chicken leg. So that's the way you do it. Let me see. Let me see how big it is. I dropped that little motherfucker. That's how big it was. He dropped it on the floor, he brought him a big ass leg. No, they ain't got no venom. Might not get you now another one.
I need my tripod.
What kind of cake you got? Let me get that. Get that. Like that?
I like this, but I don't like that. Yeah, I feel you.
I always get fucked.
Look at all these people. It's a lot of people in here. It's a lot of people in here. Put some salt on these greens. Little bread, chicken and stuff like that. Damn, but can I set this down somewhere?
Got more in there.
Put some salt on that food.
Get that hot sauce. You got some more in there.
Now I might need some hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Yes, sir. I would like some hot sauce. Yes, sir. I mean, I can do without it, but I want some hot sauce. Thank you.
It goes somewhere you ain't got to open up.
Oh, I got it. This is all right. I'll probably use one package again. This is not, look, this is not Texas tea. This is just regular hot sauce. I'm just, ever since that coronavirus, we can't even walk nowhere. That's crazy. Give me some of these collard greens. One at the cup. I can't drink out of the glass.
Yeah, I want some too. Yo, you get some.
I need a styrofoam cup so I can drink out of it.
What's going on? Fill it up, baby. Fill it up. Hey, fill it up. You ain't gonna run it. You go get a bar before. There you go. Thank you, sir.
I was trying to get a styrofoam cup. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Because I need one.
Got a little hot sauce in there? I have to go get some.
Give me the napkin. There you go, my man. It's a whole pack. It's already open. It's already open.
Yeah, I'm going to see if we can get some pink jar.
They ain't got no Texas feet.
Yeah. She finna give me a styrofoam cup.
Yeah.
Everybody may not get sick out of drinking out of the styrofoam cup, but I did. That's why I gotta use styrofoam. But not everybody's the same. Some people are different. Some of that won't affect people's immune system because they strong. They take care of their body. Right here. Right here.
Oh!
Thank you. Yay! She gave me some tea.
Let me get a napkin, sir.
I need hot sauce.
Cup of napkin.
All right.
I got me a bag lunch right here,
Napkins.
but I'm gonna save that. So when I get hungry later on, I won't have to worry about spending no money.
Are you gonna get second?
Very rare. But with this right here being on a plate, I doubt it will. At least yesterday. Today you got leg close. Today you didn't get nothing but the leg.
Yes, I'm eating chicken, y'all. I'm not supposed to be eating no meat, but I'm eating chicken. I'm not gonna eat the meat just plain. I'm gonna put it on a piece of bread. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it.
He might be.
See, hardly none of my
That's how you do it.
I'm good, baby. Any hot sauce or anything?
Need enough for chicken.
Thank you. Oh,
Need enough for
you gonna Texas Pete out here.
You got some more Texas Pete in there?
That what, honey?
You got more hot sauce in there, Texas Pete?
I have mayonnaise and mustard and ketchup.
Let me get some Texas Pete you got here.
Yes?
There's a difference
Texas
between
Pete some hot sauce. I want that. I don't want that.
Ketchup.
That's
What would you like?
that's it.
another piece of chicken.
I got an extra piece of bread if anybody wants it.
Want some bread?
Anybody need
Eat it.
That's so funny. Because it's a difference between Texas Pete hot sauce and regular hot sauce. I can't tell the difference.
I don't need
I
it.
can't tell the difference at all.
All of the same to
It's
me.
just Texas Pete's made more with like a finger.
Like a vinegar?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Since you've been recognized by as one as Williams Memorial, that's a church. I've been recognized by a church. Thank you, God. Because I'm not a bad person. I always wanted to go to Williams Memorial Baptist Church. It's in High Point, North Carolina. That's a good church. Y'all, I'm only eating meat because of my situation. If I was just standing by myself, I wouldn't be eating no meat at all. For real. Seafood I probably would be eating. But that's about it. Is there barbecue sauce on this chicken? Okay. Maybe I need to go slow on the salt. But I'm gonna add some more salt to this. I can't believe y'all. I'm not gonna feel. Oh, excuse me. I'm not gonna feel bad. Oh, next time when I go shopping in Salvation Army, I'll take you with me. So you can see what I'm talking about. They got discounts in there. Certain days, the color tags change, and you can get certain items you can't. I'm finna hurry up and get out of here. Okay, I'm done. Peace, I'm finished.
I love you. Thank you.
I'll throw my trash away.
You ain't gotta tell me. I think
You too.
I think the best one that. Damn right.
You're welcome, baby.
There's a puppy in here. There's a doggy in here. Okay, I'm done eating. Yay! Now I can go to the library. Get on the computer a little bit. I need to speak with the case manager. I just got finished eating. That was good. So they had chicken, collard greens, rice, 2 pieces of bread. Yes, I did take the meat off of my chicken and put it on the bread and put some hot sauce on it. And what else was on there? Oh yeah, and some dessert and some tea, and they serve coffee. And they do that every single day, and they also serve breakfast every single day. And for breakfast, they be having bacon, sausage, eggs, biscuits, orange juice, coffee, milk. What else they be having for breakfast? Grits. And there'd be some more stuff they be serving too. But they serve breakfast. They serve a good meal. They always do. They make sure we got something to eat. Huh? Man, heck no. I started working at this temp agency, but because of the corona,
I already told him about you.
I will.
Yeah, I gotta go eat. I gotta catch the train.
Okay.
I can't get my check.
Oh damn. Okay, that's what's up. All right, I'll holler at you. I'm finna take my ass home. Woo, I got the right of way. Let me go. Oh, let me wait till this truck leave. I'm gonna have him go across the street. All right, guys, that's been 30 minutes. I had lunch in the cafeteria. That was it. So I'll see you guys later on. Bye.